It's called justthebill.com, and it's basically the simplest way to keep track of all those paper receipts. So whether you go into a restaurant or out in a taxi, as soon as you get the paper receipt, you hold it in your hand, you open up the application, take a picture, and the image is uploaded to a secure server where your bookkeeper or accountant or whoever you need to have access to can have access to it, and you can toss the paper receipt, and come tax time or audit time or just figuring out where you've spent your money that week or month, it's all organized and ready to go. It takes 2 seconds. On the Blackberry, we've got the receipt, the Just the Bill application. And the first thing that's going to happen when I open the app, it's going to authenticate me, so it knows that it's me. I'm going to say I want to photograph a receipt. It's going to automatically open up the camera. I'm going to just go over top of this receipt here for some parking, take the picture. It's going to confirm that I like that. I'm going to say I accept it. And if I want to add any more details, and I can select that I used my RBC Infinite Visa card for it, and that the debit account is a parking expense. And these are customized, so they can be connected to whatever chart of accounts for your company, or just you can make your own expense accounts, whatever you like. I can either just send in the receipt as is, or I could manually enter the amount. So this particular receipt was for $18 for some downtown Vancouver parking.
It's not cheap in downtown Vancouver, is it?
No, but the good news is that $384 of that was taxes. So we'll at least get some of that back on the GST return. So I'll click Send Receipt, and it's going to send it off. It's going to work in the background, so I could do multiple receipts, and I can look at the history right now, and I can see that particular receipt is 6% done, and it's now 12%. You can connect it to you can export into whatever software you like. It's super easy to get a CSV file out. The other thing that you can do is you can have a personal account and a business account. So at Provident Security, if I've got a Provident expense, I just select my Provident account and it goes there. If I've got a personal expense, then I can just select that's just a personal thing, and it'll go into my my Mike Jagger. This is my dashboard for today, and it's showing that I've got 2 receipts that I've submitted today for a total of $25.19, 80 cents of GST here. And so I can, on either one of these two, the first one is for $6.44, the second one's for $18.75. So I can open up the second one here, and it's going to show that it was at Shoto Sushi in Kerrisdale, and I can pull up a bigger image of it and see there was $18.75, and it just tracks all the details. So in the reporting, you can actually create an audit report, so it'll give for everything that you want to provide. You can print off a report that'll give them the image, all the breakdown details. And there's options to toggle on or off GPS, so that if you're using American dollars, it'll default to American dollars if you're in the States, or Canadian dollars up here. And you can select as much or as little information as you want to provide in any of those reports.